This cute little mini butterfly bush is blooming and blooming and blooming and producing new buds. But there are some that are wilting. You can see they start to open from the bottom up. And some are completely wilted, so you just want to remove that close to where the stem meets the plant. And you can pinch, or you can weave your pruners through the leaves and cut. Since they bloom from the bottom up, sometimes you'll have dead flowers at the bottom and you can just pull those off if you'd like to. Not going to be coming back for a while, you can just cut them off now and let the new buds take over. This flower spike has lost all its petals and gone to seed. You definitely want to remove this because you don't want it spreading. It can be invasive in certain areas. Look how cute it is. Tiny little polka dot in your flower bed.